everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So here's the third part in our series of unboxings that I had scheduled. So this one is for the Corsair Glaive, which is an RGB mouse. So I just wanted to show you what you get in the package, and then I'll do an update video probably in a couple of weeks, letting everyone know how it works as far as feel and things like that, what it looks like fully powered up, how I'm enjoying the headphones, the mouse pad, the mouse, all that. And these are basically just updating my Corsair Essentials package that I got and opened for Christmas time. I've passed most of that off to my wife and kids, and this will be the next part that gets updated. So inside you get the warranty and whatnot package, and then we just want to go ahead and gently pull that apart because we don't want to tear up our boxes, because we like to use our boxes here. And here is the little, I'm assuming, instruction manual. It talks about the gaming mouse, all the different parts of it, you know, what each piece of the mouse is for. And looks like it comes with some side grips, I'm guessing for comfort level, but I'll have to read the instructions to find out. And then it's got a little case for it, a little bag, which is really kind of cool. I like that. And there we go. So now we have the mouse. Now this particular mouse, so it's got the nice braided cable, which is always nice. It is a USB mouse. It is RGB as well, and I'll see if I can take a picture of it lit up to add into this video. The feel of it though in the hand is just really nice. It's very comfortable even with the stock pieces on it, so I will have to check it out and see what those extra wings do to it. I'm thinking they're just comfort grips, but we'll take a look at those. But the way it comes right out of the box feels really good and nice in the hand. And so this is the Glaive RGB mouse from Corsair. So again, they are not sponsoring me in any way, shape, or form. I'm just a fan of their products because they do work really well and they also look great while using them. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date on our videos. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what your question is, whether it's about me, the channel, my family, the product, what's next. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.